How to properly adjust your truck seat. Whether you're installing a new truck seat or adjusting an existing one, it's important to have a properly positioned seat in your truck. A well-adjusted seat has many advantages, including reduced neck, back, and hip pain, less pressure on lumbar discs, diminished numbness in feet and hands, and more. So, how do you properly adjust your truck seat from Suburban Seating Safety? First, you'll need to adjust the seat height. Sit down in your truck seat. Then, using the controls on the side of your seat, position the top of the seat back to be at head level and the top of the steering wheel to be 2 to 4 inches below the shoulder. You should be able to see your gauges and the road without looking down. Next, you'll need to adjust seat distance. Using the seat track, position your seat so that you're able to completely depress the brake pedal without fully extending your leg. Then, you'll need to adjust your seat back angle. Using the backrest recline, adjust the seat back angle to support your head and spine. Your head should be level and vertically in line with your shoulders and hips. Use the lumbar adjust controls until your lower back feels firmly supported. Lastly, for seats equipped with cushion tilt adjustment, you can adjust your bottom cushion angle. Make sure you're standing for this part and that there's no weight on your seat. Using your tilt controls, front and/or rear, depending on your seat, adjust the angle of your driving position. For highway driving, a flat cushion with a hip opening at 90 degrees is recommended. For inner-city driving, it's suggested to tilt your cushion to 105 degrees, with the front of the cushion positioned downward and the rear of the cushion tilting up. Once your seat height, distance, back angle, lumbar, and tilt are adjusted, you can adjust any accessory features like adjustable side bolsters, adjustable dampers or shocks, and climate controls to your personal preferences.
Interested in a new truck seat?
Visit suburbanseats.com or give us a call at 844-727-7328 today.